Hello guys, today is Thursday and right now we went to Lowe's. Hubby is here with me today, but we went to Lowe's because I needed more paint. Yesterday I painted my beauty room pink. I've always wanted to have it pink, but I've never found the right color that I really liked, so I finally found it and I painted almost everything. I just needed one more wall and a half. So I went and bought more paint this morning. I'll show you guys the process. Right now I'm just eating hummus with some chips. Let me show you guys. I really like this roasted red pepper hummus from Sabra. Looks like this. And I like to eat it with these multi-seed crisps. They look like this. So I just bought a little quart. And it looks like that. It kind of looks white, but I promise it's pink. It's light pink. Got a paintbrush. So let me see right here. Right there, you can see the color a little bit better. This was my sample, and this is a paper towel, so you guys can see it's not white. So that has been my morning so far. Right now, hubby is just making sure he's not gonna go work. He's in the garage, and then hubby's just in the garage making sure hubby's in the garage making sure they don't have any work schedules for today with his co-workers. So yeah, then a little bit later if he doesn't go to work, we are going to be doing a little project on our truck, but I'm going to vlog it and everything because my husband has his own channel on YouTube, which it is about our cars, but he doesn't have very many subscribers because he doesn't like talking to the camera, as you guys know. So he has only, I think, 1 or 2 videos, and then he hasn't updated it in a long time. So he's gonna try to make more videos. I'll link his channel in the description box if you guys would like to see our projects with our cars and stuff like that, and updates that he does to his cars and everything, how he keeps them how he maintains them and everything. Please go subscribe to him if you guys like Mustangs, Lightnings, and Jeeps. We have those 3 kinds of cars. So yeah, right now that is all that we are doing. I am going to eat breakfast and then I'll see you guys a little bit later. Hi guys, so we are going to go eat. Hubby and me are gonna do like a little date night, or not date night. ¿Cómo se dice? Lunch, Ben! I'm waiting for you.
I'm looking at you through the peephole.
I'm like, ¿cómo se dice? So hubby and I are gonna go eat lunch together. Lunch date. So we'll see you guys when we get there. guys, so we are done eating at Chili's. We are now headed to Home Depot. We're now going to Home Depot to go find a filter for a vacuum. So I will see you guys a little bit later. Hi guys, so we are back from Home Depot, and now hubby is in the garage and he is putting the shocks on the lining to lower the truck. So let me show you guys a little bit of it, but I will have the full video on his channel so you guys can watch it. If you guys have husbands that are interested in that kind of stuff, let them know. That way they can go and subscribe to his channel. So let's go see what he's doing, and then I'll talk to you guys a little bit later. So here's the truck, and that is the blue shock that he put. He already did one side. He's working on the other one, so let me show you guys. Here it is right there. It's okay. So what are you doing? Do you want to say... Yo nomás le voy a incluir un poquito de cuando tú estés trabajando, ponerle música, pero el tuyo puedes decirle, hi guys, I'm gonna lower the truck and this is what I'm putting on it.
That's hard.
You want me to do it for you?
No, I'll do it. Okay. Yeah? Hi guys, this is I'm gonna lower the truck today. Put lowering springs. 2-inch lowering springs. This is my first time doing it, so if you want to know how I did it, just keep watching.
What are you doing right now? Pero ahí dile, this is how it looks. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Alright guys, so that's how the front looks. 2-inch drop doesn't look like much. But I think tomorrow I'll do the backs. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.
So here it is guys, my husband is done doing the lowering kit. No, ¿cómo se llaman? No, pero ¿cómo se llaman? Lowering
springs on the front.
My husband is done doing the lowering springs on the front. And this is how it looks. He said that tomorrow he might do the backs so it's even. So that was it. Well guys, right now it's already 4 p.m. and I am going to go get the kids from school, and then I'll see you guys a little bit later.